Welcome back to the future of energy production. Today we dive deeper into the TCS Green Safehouse Manufacturing Hub. Located in the heart of Heilbronn's technology region, this facility is a blueprint for global decentralized energy autarky. It begins with a foundation built for resilience. Our earthworks are engineered for a load class exceeding 50 kilonewtons per square meter. This reinforced base ensures absolute stability for the heavy industrial robotics and high-pressure hydrogen systems that follow. The core of our speed is the pre-engineered building technology. In just 14 days, the column-free steel skeleton rises. This modular design offers maximum layout flexibility, allowing for a through-flow production line without structural obstructions. By week 3, the envelope is sealed. Our partnership with Jean Afford Steel delivers a turnkey solution in record time. Simultaneously, the massive 3,000 square meter solar array is mounted, the first step in our Zero-OPEX energy model. Next, the specialized technical building equipment is integrated, specifically calibrated for hydrogen safety and ventilation. The final construction phase, anti-static flooring and clean room partitions, preparing the floor for high-precision robotics. Welcome inside Zone Alpha. 1,200 square meters of pure high-tech assembly power. Our Estun station managers handle the heavy lifting, coordinating the assembly of massive Picea hydrogen stacks. For the brains of our systems, we use high-speed Robotphoenix SCARA arms for micron-precision electronics mounting. Every TCS control unit is assembled under strict quality control, ensuring failure-free operation for decades. Managed by the IEARD OS operating system, up to 4 robot units work in perfect synchronicity across the floor. Safety is our baseline. Zone Beta houses 600 square meters of dedicated hydrogen infrastructure. Our background-oriented Schlieren technology makes the invisible visible, detecting any hydrogen leak instantly. AI-powered cameras analyze air density in real time, triggering automated isolation protocols in milliseconds. Every stack undergoes rigorous factory acceptance tests here, ensuring full EU taxonomy compliance and bankability. Resilience requires preparation. Zone Gamma is our 700 square meter strategic logistics center. We move away from fragile just-in-time chains, maintaining a critical inventory to ensure continuous production. This strategic stockpile allows us to guarantee the production of 100 units per year, regardless of global supply shifts. Above it all is the brain, Zone Delta, our mezzanine engineering and command center. Here, Sentinel AI monitors every unit in the field, analyzing performance and anticipating maintenance needs. Our digital twin synchronizes the physical floor with a virtual model via OPC UA, maximizing real-time efficiency. Predictive maintenance reduces unplanned downtime by 40%, a massive lever for our operational profitability. The Zero-OPEX strategy isn't just a goal, it's physics. The facility powers and heats itself. By using our own hydrogen technology for storage, we eliminate energy costs and achieve a top-tier ESG rating. With nearly 9 million euros in high-grade collateral, this is a de-risked asset class for professional investors. Sovereign energy is here. The future is built in Heilbronn. Let's lead the energy transition together.